So right here in Kendall County, this is a oak tree that has got a bunch of cedar trees growing underneath it and a few stumps in there and some rocks. And we're going to clear this with the Brushshark on a Bobcat S185. This is actually this is a prototype Brushshark. Although the Brushshark's been around since 2003, we've got a new design that we're working on for the 6-footers, and this also has an auto cycle feature on it. We cut some really big stuff, we cut some small stuff with ease, and we're going to get this oak tree looking better and healthier by getting the cedar out from under it. You can use the Brushshark to push the material that you've cut out of the way. You can also use it to rake. That's about a 6-inch tree that he's trying to cut. It takes multiple strokes, but it will cut them. By taking multiple strokes at it. And there he's picking it up by putting a half cut on it. Brushshark is designed for between a 1/4 inch up to 6 inches. It will actually cut bigger. As you can see, that's 7 or 8 inch tree. Of course, it takes a little more time because you saw through it. So the other material that's under that tree is persimmon or yopon and agarita. Something that's very common. As you can see with the Brushshark attached to a Bobcat, you can get underneath these trees with ease. You can also see that you can be selective with the Brushshark. Although we're taking out all the trees underneath this oak, if you didn't want to leave a yopon or a persimmon, it would not be a problem. taking out the little small stuff. Use it for knocking out broken tree limbs. Starting to shape up pretty good. Been about 7 minutes. See how it looks when we get all this stuff pushed out of the way. There we go. Nicely cleared oak tree. Should come back